Apollo and Athena have worked so hard, facing their biggest challenge yet. They've had to make tough decisions, balancing the need to keep the chicks either warm or fed. But thanks to their determination and a little help from me, these 3 chicks have survived, and they're well on the way to becoming strong young kestrels. These 3 fluffy chicks are only 2 weeks old and are already left alone for much of the time. Their parents, Apollo and Athena, now only visit to bring in food for them. Despite their age, these young birds have to be tough,